How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can rotate a sketch in Onshape CAD. Now, the way to rotate a sketch is to first rotate the plane, because if we go ahead and add a sketch itself, we can only add them onto our planes right here. So for example, if you add it onto your top plane and then maybe you want to insert something like a corner rectangle, you can then place it flat right here, which is not ideal for the thing that we are doing. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply angle or rotate the plane first. To do that, just click on the sketch button. And here you then want to select the plane that you want to rotate. So in my case, I'm going to be rotating the right plane. And then I'm going to place a line. This is only going to be a reference and we can remove this later. From there, you then want to press on the check button. Now that we have our reference, you then want to click on the plane option, which is going to be this one. Just click on it. And basically, you then want to click on the line that we just placed on our plane. From there, you want to make sure that you have used the right or the line angle. And then in my case, I'm going to be rotating this onto a 95-degree angle. Click on the check button. And now that we have rotated our plane. So if we do something like a sketch once more, and then let's place it onto our plane number 1, and let's do something like a corner rectangle, and let's place it this way, and let's click on the check button, click on extrude, let's select the sketch to, click on check, and basically that's how you do it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.